So let's talk video marketing and recruiting and using video as a marketing tool for recruiting. I'm Penny Morgan and I train video marketing techniques. Let's jump right into this. I want to talk to you about some statistics. I think once you hear some of these statistics, you're going to wonder why you haven't been using video marketing for recruiting. So first of all, did you realize that 51% of the workforce out there, that is 51% of employed individuals out there, would actually consider leaving their current position? They may not actively be looking, but they would actually consider leaving their current position. Now that's key considering these next 2 points I'm going to mention. The first one is that 78% of people watch videos online every week. YouTube traffic is huge, people, huge. Also, tip number 2 on statistics is 55% of people are watching videos online every day. And online video now accounts for 50% of all mobile traffic. So mobile is steadily, increasingly growing as a huge job-seeking tool. So this is all the more reason why you should want to use video marketing tactics in your recruitment toolbox. Keep in mind, you want to keep your videos short and to the point and make them fun. If you do, you'll keep their attention to the end. And at the end of your video, you want to make sure that you have a call to action. If you do a call to action at the end of your video and drive your candidates to your website where they can complete a form, and you'll capture the information, including their email, so that you can follow up with them via email. How cool is that? Not to mention, while your video is out there working for you, you can also be working on other recruitment tactics. That's even better because you're basically duplicating your efforts and you've essentially cloned yourself. Just kidding. But seriously, it is definitely something that you should consider when it comes to recruitment and marketing efforts in recruitment. I'm Penny Morgan, and for more tips, please don't hesitate to hit me up on my website. For more free short videos like this, please click the link below to visit my website.